Module: Specialized Makeup Techniques Lesson 9 to 12. Hello Forks, welcome to this in-depth lecture on airbrush makeup, a revolutionary technique that offers a flawless finish for all skin types. In today's session, we will cover the fundamentals of airbrush makeup, move on to basic airbrush techniques, and conclude with advanced airbrush techniques. This lesson is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of airbrush makeup, perfect for employees looking to enhance their skills in the beauty industry. Introduction to airbrush makeup. Airbrush makeup involves the application of makeup using an airbrush gun and compressor. This method provides a smooth, even layer of makeup, which can be tailored to suit various skin tones and types. The technology has been used in the entertainment industry for decades, but it has recently gained popularity in everyday makeup routines due to its ability to achieve a natural, camera-ready look. Benefits of airbrush makeup. Long-lasting wear. Airbrush makeup is known for its durability, making it ideal for long events and special occasions. Lightweight feel. Despite its durability, the makeup feels light and comfortable on the skin. Flawless coverage. The fine mist ensures even application, minimizing the appearance of imperfections. Customizable. Easily mix pigments to match any skin tone or desired effect. Hygienic. Minimal contact with the skin reduces the risk of transferring bacteria. Basic airbrush techniques. Understanding basic airbrush techniques is crucial for achieving a professional finish. Here are some foundational techniques. Setting up your airbrush equipment. Choose the right airbrush gun. Depending on your requirements, select a single-action or dual-action airbrush gun. Dual-action guns offer more control over airflow and product volume. Assemble the equipment. Connect the airbrush gun to the compressor following the manufacturer's instructions. Mixing the foundation. Choose a special airbrush foundation or thin liquid foundation to avoid clogging the nozzle. Mastering basic application techniques. Proper distance. Hold the airbrush gun about 6 to 12 inches away from the face for optimal coverage. Circular motion. Use small, circular motions to ensure even distribution of the foundation. Layering technique. Apply multiple thin layers rather than one thick layer to achieve a natural finish. Practicing these basic techniques will help you build a strong foundation in airbrush makeup application. Advanced airbrush techniques. Once comfortable with the basics, you can move on to more advanced techniques to expand your repertoire. Contouring and highlighting. Contouring. Use a slightly darker shade to contour under the cheekbones, along the jawline, and on the sides of the nose. Maintain precision by controlling the airbrush flow. Highlighting. Apply a lighter shade to the high points of the face, such as the tops of the cheekbones, brow bones, and bridge of the nose.
Creating detailed artwork. Airbrush makeup allows for intricate designs, which can be useful for creative makeup looks or theatrical performances. Here are steps to create detailed artwork. Stencils. Use stencils to create precise patterns and designs without freehand drawing. Freehand techniques. For those with a steady hand, freehand techniques allow for personalized, artistic expressions. Layering colors. Experiment with layering different colors for ombre effects or to add depth to your designs. Maintaining and cleaning your airbrush equipment. Proper maintenance is essential for the longevity of your airbrush tools and the quality of your work. Regularly clean the airbrush gun by flushing it with water or a specialized cleaning solution after each use. Disassemble and deep clean the components periodically to prevent buildup and clogging. Executive summary. Here's a summary of specialized makeup techniques. Specialized makeup techniques. 1. Airbrush makeup. A technique using a small airbrush to apply makeup for a flawless, high-definition finish. 2. Prosthetic makeup. Creating and applying prosthetic pieces to create realistic wounds, scars, or other special effects. 3. Body painting. Painting designs or patterns directly onto the skin using specialized makeup products. 4. Special effects makeup. Creating realistic special effects, such as blood, wounds, or aging, for film, television, or theater productions. 5. Microblading and tattoo makeup. Creating semi-permanent tattoos or hair-like strokes to enhance eyebrows or create realistic hair. Advanced techniques. 1. Contouring and highlighting. Using makeup to create the illusion of defined facial features and a radiant complexion. 2. Strobing. Applying highlighter to specific areas of the face to create a radiant, lit from within glow. 3. Color correction. Using makeup to correct skin tone imperfections, such as sallowness or redness. 4. Lash and brow design. Creating customized lash and brow designs to enhance the eyes. Tips and best practices. 1. Practice and training. Continuously practice and train to master specialized makeup techniques. 2. Attention to detail. Pay close attention to detail to achieve realistic, high-quality results. 3. Sanitation and hygiene. Maintain strict sanitation and hygiene standards when working with clients. 4. Staying up to date. Stay current with the latest trends, products, and techniques in specialized makeup.
Here's a summary of the benefits of Airbrush Makeup. Flawless finish. 1. High-definition quality. Airbrush Makeup provides a smooth, flawless finish that looks great in person and on camera. 2. Even coverage. The airbrush technique ensures even coverage, minimizing the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Long-lasting. 1. Durability. Airbrush Makeup is long-lasting and can withstand heat, humidity, and tears. 2. Smudge-proof. The formula is designed to stay in place, resisting smudging and fading. Skin benefits. 1. Buildable coverage. Airbrush Makeup offers buildable coverage, allowing for customizable levels of coverage. 2. Non-comedogenic. Many airbrush makeup products are non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog pores. 3. Hydrating. Some airbrush makeup products contain hydrating ingredients, helping to moisturize the skin. Versatility. 1. Customizable. Airbrush makeup can be customized to match individual skin tones and types. 2. Various finishes. As brush makeup can be used to achieve various finishes, from natural to glamorous. Convenience. 1. Quick application. Airbrush makeup is relatively quick to apply, making it ideal for busy individuals. 2. Easy touch-ups. Airbrush makeup is easy to touch up throughout the day, ensuring a flawless finish. Here's a summary of basic airbrush techniques. Basic airbrush techniques. 1. Loading the airbrush. Load the airbrush with the correct amount of makeup, taking care not to overfill. 2. Setting the air pressure. Adjust the air pressure to achieve the desired spray pattern and coverage. 3. Holding the airbrush. Hold the airbrush at a 6 to 8 inch distance from the skin with the nozzle slightly angled. 4. Spraying techniques. Use smooth, steady motions to spray the makeup, following these basic techniques. Stippling. Creating a pattern of small dots to build coverage. Layering. Building coverage by applying multiple thin layers. Blending. Softening edges and blending colors for a seamless finish. Airbrush strokes. 1. Linear strokes. Moving the airbrush in a straight line to cover large areas. 2. Circular motions. Moving the airbrush in a circular motion to blend edges and soften coverage. 3. Zigzag motions. Moving the airbrush in a zigzag pattern to create texture and dimension.
Tips and best practices of airbrush makeup. 1. Practice, practice, practice. Develop muscle memory and technique through regular practice. 2. Use the correct makeup. Choose airbrush-specific makeup that is formulated for use with an airbrush. 3. Clean and maintain the airbrush. Regularly clean and maintain the airbrush to prevent clogging and ensure optimal performance. Here's a summary of setting up your makeup airbrush equipment. Equipment components. 1. Airbrush gun, the handheld device that sprays the makeup. 2. Air compressor, the device that generates the air pressure needed to spray the makeup. 3. Hose, connects the airbrush gun to the air compressor. 4. Regulator, controls the air pressure output from the compressor. 5. Moisture trap, prevents moisture from entering the airbrush gun. 6. Airbrush holder, secures the airbrush gun when not in use. Setting up the equipment. 1. Assemble the airbrush gun. Attach the nozzle and needle to the airbrush gun. 2. Connect the hose. Connect the hose to the airbrush gun and air compressor. 3. Set the air pressure. Adjust the regulator to set the desired air pressure, typically 1020 psi for makeup. 4. Connect the moisture trap. Attach the moisture trap to the hose to prevent moisture buildup. 5. Test the equipment. Test the airbrush equipment to ensure it's working properly and safely. Safety precautions. 1. Read the manual. Read the manufacturer's instructions for the airbrush equipment. 2. Wear protective gear. Wear a mask, safety glasses, and gloves when working with the airbrush equipment. 3. Work in a well-ventilated area. Work in a well-ventilated area to prevent inhalation of makeup particles. Tips and best practices. 1. Regularly clean and maintain the equipment. Regularly clean and maintain the airbrush equipment to prevent clogging and ensure optimal performance. 2. Use high-quality equipment. Invest in high-quality airbrush equipment to ensure reliable performance and safety. 3. Practice safety habits. Develop safety habits when working with the airbrush equipment to prevent accidents and injuries. In conclusion, airbrush makeup offers unparalleled control and a pristine finish that is difficult to attain with traditional methods. By mastering both basic and advanced techniques, individuals can elevate their makeup skills, cater to diverse client needs, and explore artistic avenues within the beauty industry. Consistent practice and proper equipment upkeep are vital for success with airbrush makeup. The learners are encouraged to practice these skills regularly and experiment with different styles to fully exploit the potential of airbrush makeup. Embracing airbrush technology will not only enhance your capabilities as a makeup artist but also set you apart in the competitive world of beauty and cosmetics. Happy airbrushing! Thank you for taking this lesson. We will see you again in the next lesson. Happy learning, folks!